Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Glow and Grow. It's your delightful channel, Glow and Grow. And we are back with another insightful video. Today we're diving into the world of gut health. You guys know I'm all about living a healthy lifestyle. And it all starts in your gut. No, seriously, your gut health is crucial for your overall well-being. We're going to explore 5 amazing foods that can help heal your gut and improve your overall health. So, if you're ready to feel your best from the inside out, stick around.
First up, we have yogurt. Yogurt has been a staple in many cultures for centuries, known for its creamy texture and tangy flavor. But beyond its delicious taste, yogurt offers a myriad of health benefits that make it a must-have in your daily diet. Now, I'm not talking about those sugary yogurts loaded with artificial ingredients. These types of yogurts often contain high amounts of added sugars, artificial colors, and preservatives that can negate the health benefits of yogurt. Instead, they can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. We're talking about plain, unsweetened yogurt, preferably Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is thicker and creamier than regular yogurt because it has been strained to remove most of the whey. This process not only gives it a richer texture, but also increases its protein content, making it an excellent choice for those looking to boost their protein intake. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse of probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that provide numerous health benefits when consumed in adequate amounts. They are often referred to as good or friendly bacteria because they help maintain a healthy balance in your gut microbiome. You know, those good bacteria that live in your gut and help keep everything balanced. A balanced gut microbiome is crucial for overall health as it influences digestion, nutrient absorption, and even mental health. Studies have shown that a healthy gut can improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Probiotics are like the cheerleaders of your gut. They encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria while keeping harmful bacteria in check. This harmonious environment helps prevent digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. They help break down food, fight off bad bacteria, and even boost your immune system. A strong immune system is your body's defense against infections and illnesses. By supporting your gut health with probiotics, you can enhance your body's natural defenses and reduce the risk of getting sick. So incorporating yogurt into your diet can be a game changer for your gut health. It's a simple and delicious way to support your digestive system and overall well-being. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. You can add it to your smoothies, creating a creamy and nutritious blend that's perfect for breakfast or a post-workout snack. The probiotics in yogurt will complement the vitamins and minerals from the fruits and vegetables in your smoothie, making it a powerhouse of nutrients. Top it with some fruit and granola for a quick and healthy breakfast. This combination provides a balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, keeping you full and energized throughout the morning. You can also experiment with different toppings like nuts, seeds, and honey to keep things interesting. Or even use it as a healthy substitute for sour cream in recipes. Greek yogurt can be used in savory dishes like tacos, baked potatoes, and salad dressings, adding a creamy texture without the extra calories and fat. It's a great way to make your meals healthier without sacrificing flavor. Whether you enjoy it on its own, mixed into dishes, or as a base for sauces and dressings, yogurt is a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. So next time you're at the grocery store, reach for that plain, unsweetened yogurt and give your gut the support it deserves. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy life. Embrace the power of yogurt and let those probiotics work their magic. Your body will thank you.
Next on our list is sauerkraut. This humble dish has been around for centuries, and it's not just a side dish for your hot dogs. It's a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Sauerkraut? That stuff my grandpa eats? Yes, the very same. But there's more to it than meets the eye. But trust me on this one. Sauerkraut is a fermented food, and fermentation is like a magic trick for your gut. It's not just about the tangy taste, it's about the incredible health benefits that come with it. During fermentation, The good bacteria feast on the sugars in the cabbage, creating lactic acid. This process not only preserves the cabbage, but also enhances its nutritional value. This lactic acid is what gives sauerkraut its tangy flavor and crunchy texture. It's a unique taste that can add a zing to any meal. But here's the best part. Lactic acid is also a prebiotic. Prebiotics are essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Prebiotics are like food for the probiotics in your gut. They nourish the good bacteria, helping them to thrive and multiply. They help the good bacteria thrive and multiply, creating a healthy gut environment. A healthy gut can improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood. Sauerkraut is incredibly versatile. You can add it to salads, sandwiches, or even enjoy it on its own. It's a simple way to incorporate more fermented foods into your diet. The tradition of making sauerkraut dates back to ancient times. It's a testament to the wisdom of our ancestors who understood the importance of fermentation. Today, you can find sauerkraut in many grocery stores, or you can make it at home. There are countless recipes and variations to explore, from classic plain sauerkraut to versions with added spices and flavors. There's a type of sauerkraut for everyone. Experiment and find your favorite. Sauerkraut is also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron. It's a nutrient-dense food that can support overall health. So, whether you're young or old, sauerkraut can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. It's a food that transcends generations and cultures. Give sauerkraut a try and experience the benefits for yourself. It's more than just a condiment. It's a health-boosting, flavor-packed surprise. Next time you're at the store, pick up a jar of sauerkraut and start reaping the benefits of this ancient superfood. Your gut will thank you.
Another great food for gut health is bone broth. This age-old remedy has been cherished for centuries across various cultures for its healing properties and nutritional benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your immune system, or simply enjoy a warm, comforting drink, bone broth has got you covered. You guys know I'm a huge fan of bone broth. It's not just a trend, it's a timeless elixir that has stood the test of time. From grandmother's kitchens to modern wellness circles, bone broth continues to be a staple for those seeking holistic health. It's like liquid gold for your gut. Rich in nutrients and easy to digest, bone broth provides a wealth of benefits that go beyond just gut health. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall well-being. Bone broth is made by simmering bones, cartilage, and connective tissues from animals for an extended period. This slow-cooking process allows all the nutrients to be released into the broth, creating a nutrient-dense liquid that's both delicious and beneficial. This process extracts all the good stuff, like collagen, gelatin, and amino acids. These components are essential for maintaining healthy skin, joints, and of course your gut. Collagen is a protein that helps strengthen the lining of your gut. It's crucial for repairing and maintaining the integrity of your gut barrier, which is vital for preventing leaky gut syndrome. Think of it like the glue that holds everything together. Just as glue binds materials, collagen binds the cells in your gut lining, ensuring they stay intact and function properly. When your gut lining is strong and healthy, it acts as a barrier, preventing harmful substances from leaking into your bloodstream. This is crucial for maintaining overall health, as a compromised gut lining can lead to various health issues, including inflammation and autoimmune diseases. Incorporating bone broth into your daily routine can be simple and enjoyable. You can sip it on its own, use it as a base for soups and stews, or even add it to your favorite recipes for an extra nutritional boost. The beauty of bone broth is its versatility. You can make it with different types of bones, such as chicken, beef, or fish, and customize it with herbs and spices to suit your taste preferences. The possibilities are endless, and each variation offers its unique set of benefits. When making bone broth, it's important to source high-quality ingredients. Look for bones from grass-fed, pasture-raised animals and use fresh, organic vegetables. This ensures that your broth is free from harmful additives and packed with the best nutrients. Once you've made your bone broth, you can store it in the fridge for up to a week, or freeze it for longer shelf life. This way, you'll always have a nourishing, gut-friendly option ready to go whenever you need it. So, whether you're looking to improve your gut health, boost your immune system, or simply enjoy a delicious and nutritious drink, bone broth is a fantastic choice. Give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself.
Don't forget about kimchi. This spicy fermented cabbage is not only delicious, but also great for your gut. Kimchi is like the Korean cousin of sauerkraut. It's made by fermenting cabbage with a blend of spices, including garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes, and gochujang, which is Korean chili paste. Like sauerkraut, kimchi is packed with probiotics that can help balance your gut bacteria. But kimchi also brings some extra benefits to the table. The spices used in kimchi have anti-inflammatory properties which can help soothe your gut and reduce inflammation.
Last but not least, garlic. Garlic is a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. Not only does it add incredible flavor to dishes, but it also has numerous health benefits, including gut health. Garlic contains prebiotic fibers, particularly a type called inulin. Remember, prebiotics are like food for the good bacteria in your gut. Inulin is a soluble fiber that travels through your digestive system undigested until it reaches your large intestine, where it acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria.
So there you have it, 5 amazing foods that can help heal your gut and improve your overall health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a world of difference in how you feel. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. Thanks for hanging out with me at Grow and Glow today. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.